Hi, today I will be teaching Latin declining. And I will be teaching this in the third declension. And during this video, if you hear any small children, little dogs, or just moving, I'm sorry. So let's get started. Whoops. There we go. So, as you can see, this is the third declension chart. In third declension, there's masculine, feminine, and neuter. This is one of the hardest declensions because of the nominative weirdo and the accusative neuter weirdo. These are hard because there's not really just one ending for these. There's multiple, a lot. So that makes it harder to determine which declension is the word. So, yeah. And something to take note of, a few things actually. In neuter, it has different endings. So for accusative, everything in blue, that is what the neuter changed. So if there's a word that's neuter that would have nominative plural, if it would have nominative plural, yes, it would actually be a. Same with accusative plural and accusative singular. And if you're declining a word, neuter, nominative, and accusative are the exact same thing. So let's get started. That's one of the most important things to remember. Okay. First, we'll decline the word ager, agerous, masculine. Because it's masculine, you won't have to worry about the blue areas in the chart. There we go. And because of time, I will only be doing this in singular. So let's start. First, we'll have to put out all of the cases. So, oh my god. Nominative, genitive, dative, and I'm sorry about my messy handwriting, I don't have a stylus. Accusative, and ablative. So let's get started. So, in a word, the nominative is the first word, and then the genitive is the second. So, the nominative, ager, and declining, you will need to know how to make the stem. And to do that, you take the genitive word for this, agerous, take out the ending, is, as you can see in the chart, and there you go, ager. And in this word, it's almost the same as the nominative, but that's not always true. So you will need to know that. Agerous. Then, here, let's just fill this out. And one thing to think about, just so you know, for each case, nominative is the subject, genitive shows possession, so of whatever, Dative is to, then whatever the word is. Accusative is the direct object. And ablative is for prep phrases. Okay. So now that we have all of our stems, let's put everything in. So dative, as you can see in the chart, is I. Right there. And then accusative, you can guess, is EM. And then lastly but not least, E for ablative. So there you go, you declined singular ager. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, ager means ramp. So for nominative, it would be ramp. Then agerous would be of the ramp. Agery would be to the ramp. Accusative, agerem, would be, again, ramp. And then agere would be a prep phrase, so it'd still be ramp. It matters in the context. Okay, so now let's decline another word. We will decline, if I can delete all this stuff. Oh, that works. We will decline, oh wait. This one will be a neuter word. Kappa, capitis, neuter. And in this, since two things. One, as I said before when we were declining ager, the genitive is not the same as the nominative. So the stem will be different. And this means head. No. Whatever. I guess we'll just have it. So nominative we know, kappa. Then, as we can see in the chart, we take out the IS ending, and it is capit. Or, did I mess that up? No, yeah, capit. That's an A. Whatever. So, capit, capit, capit. And I bet you can know, capit. And so now we will put in the ending. So, genitive, IS, dative, I, and watch out. Oh, stupid me. I almost forgot. Neuter, nominative accusative, as I said before. Yeah, see, exactly. I forgot this. That is a crucial step that it is really easily forgotten. It's the same as neuter, nominative, kappa. Otherwise, everything's the same. And that does not apply to plural. Plural will still have capit, but the ending will still be the same. See? A. So, capite. And then, for each word, kappa would be head, capitis, of the head, capiti, I'm so sorry for my bad hair, to the head, caput, head, and ablative, capite, head. So yeah, there you go. You can decline third declension singular words. Good job, and goodbye.